Okay, let's go ahead and we will see that rules and responsibility in the development environment. So let me go into this system, and as an ABAPer, what we are supposed to do. So actually, as an ABAPer, we are supposed to understand the requirement from the functional people. Functional people, what they will do, they will gather the information, okay, and they will prepare one functional specification document that is known as FS. Okay, they pass the FS to us in the technical department, or like technical people, and technical people understand the FS, and based upon the FS they prepare the technical design, because they have to implement the requirement in form of code and all these things. So for that purpose, algorithm and all, like a step by step process they define in more or less pseudo code of kind of things, like at first step we have to fetch the data from this table, then in this second step we have to put the inner join from this two table. So kind of algorithm, we have to put the check, we have to apply the if condition, else condition. So such kind of logic will be there in your technical document, or technical dossier, or technical specification document. So technical document also it is known as TS, also it is known as, okay, both is same thing, technical design or technical specification. So once your technical design and technical specification is prepared, this is supposed to be prepared little more experienced person, okay, so that because technical document or technical specification is required to have little more skill, but it is not like hard and fast something like that, but it is a kind of a standard practice that we are supposed to have. uh, Better experienced person are supposed to develop this one. Okay, now if you come over here, that the developer, ABAP developer, here the job starts for a ABAP developer. They understand, so this technical document who is going to prepare, they can be ABAP developer also, some different ABAP developer, or for the or the same ABAP developer can also prepare the technical document, and the same person can start developing also. But generally it is I have seen, other person prepare this technical document, and then another person start developing the code. Okay, and reviewer must will be the different person. Okay, so first is that functional specification is prepared by the functional people by after understanding the requirement from the business can be any customer. Okay, so they will be they are going to interact with the customer, and they are going to create the functional specification. Then they will create this technical document, and after that ABAP developer is going to, you know ABAP developer is going to implement that particular code in development system. So first they are going to write the code in development system. Okay, once they write the code into the development system, they will perform a unit testing over here. They will perform a unit testing over here. Once they perform the unit testing means they will just check like whatever they are supposed to achieve the functionality in the very atomic level. They are going to perform the testing. Okay, once they perform the testing in development system, they will move the code into the quality system, and there, you know here two types of testing gets performed. One is DVT and another is FIT. DVT is there are different terminology in the different company and different project. Okay, so DVT means design validation testing, is the design which have been prepared over here. In the same way the design is like in the same way the development has been done over here or not. So here in quality system you are having the DVT, that means design validation testing. Okay, we're going to have the design validation testing. And now if you see at the last, once everything goes fine, then there is a system called pre-production, or sometimes it directly goes into the production. Okay, so it is optional system pre-production, or so maybe I can remove as of now that pre-production. Directly I'm going into the you know production system. So after quality, everything, if it is tested over here in quality, DVT, all these things here, FIT can also, the functional integration testing can also be performed over here, or in pre-production system. Okay, if you have the pre-production over there, there also it can be done. Now in the production system, your code goes over there and it becomes live. Your code starts working over there. Okay, it all happens, all the movement happens with the help of a container, a kind of truck. Okay, whatever the code you are going to write, that is going to be put in a truck. Okay, and that truck is known as the transport. That transport actually put those code, and maybe I can represent the transport for with this symbol. Okay, so with the help of transport, you lock your all the code in the transport, and this transport is going to move from this place to this place, from development to quality. So for this purpose, sometimes basis people is there, or sometimes we are having a tool called solution manager. We are going to use that tool, and we will just, with the help of that tool, we will move this transport from development system to quality system, and once again everything get tested, then this transport will move from quality system to the production system. So this is how the basic scenario is there, basic development scenario we are having. Okay,